for watching Car Salon walkarounds again today. It's one of our dear clients' new Super Duty trucks. He just picked this thing up, quite a smoking deal, and wanted this very hood put on that thing. So we say, all right, this is what we do. Yeah, that's a butt match on a ruby red paint coat. Thing turned out bloody perfect, no blending. My guys are the best. He did want it as it's a functional hood. He did want, you know, something to grab a little more air for him. As you can see, the functional hood vents, actually on both sides, it's going to help cool under the hood quite a bit. But anyway, yeah, we did install a nice Airaid cold air intake as well. Now when we do bigger bills like this, we take care of the customer. Yeah, this is quite the beautiful truck. We actually put two 10-inch subwoofers in the back, nice and loud. Run all to his factory stereo. Just install our little bass adjust knob right there. Some serious sound.